Have you ever wondered how you can do amazing science experiments using just your smartphone? Want to see sound waves or check your heartbeat with things you already have at home? Discover how your smartphone can become your personal science lab with just a few simple items. Have you ever wanted to measure sound waves or check your heartbeat? How about examine the magnetic fields around you or break down light into a rainbow spectrum? What if I told you you could do all these things with just a smartphone and a few common household items? No lab or expensive equipment needed. Welcome to my channel Mindset Money, where today we are diving into the world of smartphone science experiments. These simple yet astonishing tricks will show you how your phone can transform into a mini science lab, proving that science isn't confined to textbooks or laboratories. Get ready to explore the hidden scientific potential of your smartphone. But before we dive into our first experiment, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our fun science experiments and other awesome content. Our first experiment is visualizing sound waves. This mesmerizing experiment requires only a phone with a speaker, some plastic wrap, and a little salt. First, place one sheet of plastic wrap over your phone's speaker. Next, sprinkle some salt on the plastic wrap. Try different amounts of salt to find the perfect amount that creates a cool visual effect. Finally, play some music on your phone. You'll be amazed to see the salt form these beautiful moving patterns. This fascinating phenomena is known as a clad knee pattern, which illustrates how sound waves interact with particles on the surface of an object. In this case, the plastic wrap acts as a barrier while the salt represents the particles. As the sound waves travel through the plastic, they cause the particles to move, creating these intricate patterns. Each unique pattern corresponds to a specific frequency played. By experimenting with different frequencies, you can observe how the patterns change and evolve. You might wonder, why does the salt form these specific shapes and patterns? The answer lies in the interaction between the sound waves and the particles. When the frequency matches the natural resonant frequency of the system, the amplitude of the particles increases, resulting in larger and more prominent patterns. However, when the frequency doesn't match the resonant frequency, smaller or even no patterns may appear. This experiment not only showcases the power of sound waves, but also highlights the importance of finding the right frequency to maximize the response in any system. So next time you want to visualize sound waves, grab your phone, some plastic wrap, and salt, and create your own unique auditory masterpiece. If you're having fun so far, please hit the like button to keep getting awesome science content delivered to your feed. Our next trick is turning your phone into a microscope. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your smartphone into a powerful magnifying glass. All you need is a single drop of clean water. Gently place a drop of water on your phone's camera lens. This small addition acts as a magnifying lens, enhancing the clarity and magnification of your phone's existing camera. Simply point your phone towards any object you want to examine closely, and you'll be amazed by the level of detail you can now see. Whether you want to observe the intricate patterns on a leaf, the texture of a fabric, or the fine lines on your skin, this DIY microscope will reveal wonders you never noticed before. The science behind this trick lies in the physics of lenses and refraction. When light passes through a convex lens, like the one you've created with the water droplet, it bends in a way that magnifies the image on the other side. By placing the lens directly on your camera lens, you effectively increase the magnification capabilities of your phone's flatter, less curved camera lens. While this trick won't turn your phone into a high-powered microscope, it provides a fun and easy way to appreciate the beauty of everyday objects up close. So next time you want to explore the microscopic world around you, grab a water droplet and discover the hidden details in plain sight. Next up is checking your heartbeat. Imagine being able to measure your heartbeat simply by using your phone. With this incredible trick, You can actually determine your pulse rate by utilizing the camera on your phone. Open your phone's camera app and place your index finger over both the camera and the flash. Ensure that your finger is in contact with both the lens and the flash. Press record and start filming. As you continue recording, you'll notice that the video will look quite dark because your finger is covering the light from the flash. However, something incredible happens when your heart beats. The surge of blood through your finger causes a slight movement. Hey, this tiny movement lets a bit of light pass through, creating a small bright spot in the video. This is your heartbeat being captured on video. The variation in brightness results from the changes in blood flow as your heart pumps blood throughout your body. This method provides a simple and convenient way to check your pulse rate without needing any additional equipment. By analyzing the variations in brightness, you can visually see your heartbeat on your phone screen. This trick not only allows you to monitor your pulse rate, but also gives you a tangible representation of one of the most fundamental signs of life, your heartbeat. Next up is becoming a magnetic field detector. Your phone has a built-in feature called a magnetometer that enables you to detect magnetic fields. To use this feature, open your phone's Compass app and start exploring. Move your phone near various objects like metal tools, electronics, or magnets. You'll notice that the compass needle reacts to these objects, indicating the presence of magnetic fields. This functionality stems from your phone's magnetometer, a sensor that measures changes in magnetic fields. When you move your phone near a magnet or metallic object, the compass needle aligns itself with the direction of the magnetic field lines. By understanding how the needle moves and reacts, you can infer the strength and direction of the magnetic fields around you. This trick transforms your phone into a valuable tool for exploring the invisible world of magnetism. Whether you're investigating the magnetic properties of everyday objects or trying to understand the behavior of magnets, your phone's magnetometer will provide valuable insights. Last but not least, create a light spectrum. This captivating experiment reveals the hidden colors within sunlight and allows you to witness the beauty of the visible light spectrum. Grab a CD or DVD and place it near a wall or propped against something like a tree. Direct your phone's flashlight on the CD and observe the vibrant rainbow-like pattern that appears on the surface. This phenomena occurs due to the diffraction of light as it passes through the microscopic grooves of the CD. Each groove acts like a tiny prism, bending and separating the white light into its constituent colors. The resulting pattern is a visual representation of the visible light spectrum, ranging from violet to red. This experiment not only entertains, but also provides a tangible demonstration of the properties of light. By manipulating the angle of the light beam or changing the surface you're projecting onto, you can create different patterns and explore the interaction between light and matter. We've reached the end of our extraordinary journey into the world of smartphone science experiments. Throughout this adventure, we've uncovered the incredible potential of your phone, demonstrating how it can transcend its role as a communication device and become a tool for scientific exploration. From visualizing sound waves to checking your heartbeat, detecting magnetic fields, and breaking down light into a rainbow spectrum, these tricks have showcased the versatility and power of your phone as a mini science lab. Remember the mesmerizing Chladni patterns created by the interplay of sound waves and salt on a plastic wrap? Or the awe-inspiring sight of your own heartbeat captured on video using your phone's camera? These unforgettable experiences have not only entertained, but also ignited our curiosity about the hidden wonders that surround us. As we conclude this journey, I encourage you to embrace the spirit of scientific inquiry and never stop asking questions about the world around you. Your phone is just one tool among many that can unlock the secrets of science. So go forth, explore, experiment, and let your thirst for knowledge guide you. And if you enjoyed this adventure, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep questioning,
Keep exploring and keep discovering the endless possibilities that lie within your reach.